Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode. Today I kind of want to talk about some ignition upgrades I've done, a little journey through that and go over why I picked what I picked. So what I finally went with was the Ford Racing 9mm wires with the MSD coil, the model number 5527. I chose to go with the 5527 over the 8227 because of so many failing reviews on the 8227, and everyone seems to have a lot more performance stability with the 5527. When I first got this truck up and running, just did the standard AutoZone plug wires with the basic coil. It worked all right, fired up, it was running, but I wanted something a little peppier. So before I did this, I had went with the Accel variant with their coil and their plugs. Got a little bit more performance out of it, but I thought it could be a little bit better. So I did some research and went back with these. I could tell you from the stock to this setup is a vast difference for sure. Starts way faster, a lot more peppier as far as throttle response. Also see a lot more power in the middle band range as well. So I definitely recommend this setup for sure. The reason why I went with the MSD coil over the Accel was it definitely had a lot less resistance in it on all aspects, about half of the ohm resistance to the Accel coil. Now the Accel coil does put out, I believe it's 44,000 volts. This one puts out 40,000. However, with the half of the resistance, I would gladly make the swap on that. I can tell you that it does give you a lot more power for sure in the middle band compared to the stock. Between the two, this setup and the Accel setup, there's a little bit of difference. You feel like it starts a little bit quicker this way, but I did notice a big difference, over 2,500 RPMs with this setup, with the Ford Racing 9mm wires and the MSD coil 5527. I would definitely not recommend getting the 8227, I believe is what it is. It's an all plastic coil, a lot of fails. People are saying they're dead a week later, 2 to 3 replacements under a 6-month period. The 5527 definitely gives a lot better stability and performance for sure. But as far as a stock upgrade, it's definitely worth it. You definitely will notice a change for sure. But if you have any questions or anything at all, feel free to let me know in the comments. Thanks for stopping by.